If you are doing your business finances manually in the year 2026, then literally you are throwing away your money. Today, I will show you 7 AI tools that small business owners are using to save 8 to 10 lakhs per year. And yes, I will prove it with the real numbers. Stick around the video because tool number 5 has changed my business completely. Hi, I am Sangeeta Sharma, an ex-bank officer. I have spent 11 years on the other side of desk reviewing and processing business loan application. I am here to tell you what banks, investors, or some business gurus won't tell you. So if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and follow so that you never miss an update from me. So let's quickly get started. Today we are diving into AI powered finance management because let's be honest, bookkeeping, invoicing, and expense tracking are the parts of business that literally nobody enjoys. But once you mess them up, you are in serious trouble. Before we jump in, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. 97% of you watching are not subscribed yet, and it really helps the channel grow. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, first, let me quickly explain why this even matters. Now, traditional bookkeeping has three major problems. Problem number one is it's time consuming. Now, the average small business owner spends 8 to 10 hours per month just on financial admin, and that's, we can say, literally 120 hours a year that you could spend on your growing your business, right? Now, problem number two, it's error prone. Yes, manual data entry has an error rate of 1 to 4%. I know that might sound small, but when you are dealing with these thousands of transactions, those errors add up and just can add many costs to you during your tax season, right? And now the problem number three, it's reactive, not proactive. Now you are looking at what happened last month, not what's coming next month. Now, AI tools solve all these three problems. We are talking about problem number one to three, right? So, they automate the boring stuff, eliminate human error, and give you predictive insights so you can make these better decisions, right? So, let's quickly explain them. Now, tool number one, that's QuickBooks with AI. Now you might be thinking QuickBooks, that's not new, but trust me, their AI feature they have introduced in 25 26, that is a game changer. Now what it does, it automatically categorizes expenses using the machine learning method. It predicts your cash flow for next 90 days, and it also sends smart payment reminders to your clients who are likely to pay late, and at last it auto reconciles your bank statements in seconds. Now the money saver is that most small businesses spend around 50,000 to 1 lakh per month just for a bookkeeper, and but the QuickBooks with AI, this can handle 70 to 80% of your work just for rupees 5,000 per month. Surprising, right? Now that's potential of saving around 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per year. Now this is best for businesses who have regular transaction, we can say retail, e-commerce, or maybe service providers. Now here's a real user tip from my side. Just set up your bank feed automation on just from the first day, and the AI will learn faster when it has more data to work with, right? Now let's learn quickly tool number two, file. Now file is the AI expense management tool that I think most of you have never heard of. Now if your team submits your expense report, this tool will blow your mind. Now what it does, it sends employee text or email receipts, and the AI extracts all this data automatically. It matches expenses to company cards just in real time. It flags the duplicate submission and, most importantly, policy violation. It integrates with your accounting software. Now the money saver here is, if your company lose an average of 3% only of their revenue on say expense fraud or maybe errors. Now for just, let's take an example, just for a 5 crore business, that's 15 lakhs gone, right? 3% is 15 lakhs. Now file reduces this to nearly zero because it will prevent duplicate entry, policy violation, right? Plus, it saves your admin team about 5 hours per week. And if you say it at 2500 rupees per hour, then it's another 6 lakh per year. Huge, right? This is best for the businesses who have more than 5 employees and who that incur actual expenses. Now, here's a pro tip: set up the SMS receipt forwarding. Your team can snap and send the receipt instantly. And the best part is, no any application is needed. Okay, now let's go to tool number 3, VSC.ai. Now this is autonomous AP assistant. Now AP stands for accounts payable. Most of have you heard that, right? And this is not a fancy talk for just say paying your bills. This tool is like having a super smart finance person who never sleeps. So what it does, it reads your invoices from any format. It may be PDF, email, paper scan, any format. Now it automatically codes them to the right expense category. Surprising, right? And most easy. You will learn. It learns your approval workflows and routes your invoices accordingly. It also predicts the best time to pay bills to maximize your cash flows. Now, what is the money saver in this? Now, processing an invoice manually costs around 1500 to 2000 per invoice, right? Now, VAC does this just for rupees 200. Now, if you have say you process 100 invoices in a month, then what will it be? It can that's 1.3 to 1.8 lakh savings, right? Just and if you see over the year, it is more than 20 lakhs per year. Now this is best for the businesses who have 50 plus invoices per month. Now what you can watch out is here. I know its initial setup is a little complicated, it takes time, but budgets 2 to 3 weeks for the AI to learn your system. Correct? Now, just a quick question. Okay, which of these tools are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and let me know. Also, if you're getting value from this video, give it a quick like. It helps more businesses owner to find this content. Now, let's talk about tool number 4, which is my personal favorite for cash flow. That is Pulse by QuickBooks. Now, this tool is cash flow forecasting with AI. Now, so cash flow is the number one reason that small businesses have seen they fail, not the profitability. I'm talking about cash flow. You can be profitable on paper, but it's a scene that you still run out of money, right? Now what does this Pulse by QuickBooks does? Just it connects to your accounting software and bank accounts. Yes, it uses AI to predict your cash position for 3 to 12 months out, sends alerts when you are trending toward a shortage. It suggests optimal times for big purchases or hiring. Now the money saver is that it avoids avoiding your one draft fee, just say 3000, or maybe a late payment to suppliers, which can even damage your relationships, right? The pays for these tools for months, right? If you pay just 3000, and this can save you all from that, your overdraft fee, your late payment to suppliers. Most importantly, good cash flow management means you can take advantage of early payment discounts. Typically that can save 2%, right? Just say 1 cr of annual expense, that's 2 lakhs back into your pocket, correct? So it is best, I will say, for every business, but especially to the seasonal businesses. This cash flow forecasting can literally help them grow. Now, here's a power move. Use this before applying your loans, and bank will love seeing your clean cash flow forecast. Trust me, this is really helpful and my favorite one. Now let's move to tool number 5, Stamply. Okay, the AI that manages your entire invoice approval process. This is the one I mentioned in the intro that changed my business. I was talking about this Stamply, Billy the bot. Yes, that's what they call their AI. Learn who approves what. Okay, it automatically routes your invoices to the right people, follows up with approvers who are dragging their feet. It detects duplicate invoices and payment errors. Just imagine, it detects these duplicate invoices and payment errors. That's a huge benefit for your business. Now the money saver, the average invoice sits unapproved for say for 16 days. That means late payment, fees damages, damaged vendor relationship, and missed early payment discount. Right now, Stamply cut approval time just to under 3 days. Just imagine, 16 and then it cuts to 3 days. Now, just for business processing, say 1 million in expenses annually, it's capturing just 1% in early payment discounts too, and your 10 lakhs is saved in just initially, right? Now, this is best for growing businesses with complex approval workflows. Now, the game changer is Billy learns your communication patterns and it can even draft approval request emails in your voice. Now let's move to tool number 6, Brex. Now tool number 6, Brex, the AI powered corporate card and expense platform. Now this is both a credit card and an expense management system. But the AI is what makes it special. What it does, it issues virtual cards instantly for specific vendors or budgets, automatically enforces spending limits by category, it integrates directly with accounting softwares, right? And it provides real time spending analytics and alerts. Now the money savers breaks us no annual fees. Just imagine, no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and offers rewards. But the real savings, no more surprise charges, or maybe say budget overruns. Their AI flags unusual spending patterns immediately. Plus, finance team saves more than 10 hours monthly just on reconciliation. Now, this tool is best for startups, tech companies, but useful for any businesses with team spending. Now, here's the insider tip: use the statement locking feature. It auto generates end of month reports for your accountant, and that's very useful for them. Now, let's go to the last tool, that is Zenny. Now, Zenny is AI bookkeeping with a human safety net. Now, this is the closest thing to set. Just set it and forget it bookkeeping. What it does is full service AI bookkeeping. Just say your machine learning that gets smarter every month, dedicated accountant for your complex issues, and real time financial dashboard. Now, this is best for the businesses with say 500K per year and who want to hand off their bookkeeping completely to a machine. Now, the reality check is it is the pricer tool, but at least cheaper than the human help at scale, and also it minimizes the error. So, here's a quick bonus from my side, 3 pro tips. First, tip number 1, don't adopt all these tools at once just to save your business. Just start with one that will solve your biggest pain point and first master it, and then you can add more another tool and just learn, right? Now in tip number 2, integrate everything. The magic happens when these tools talk to each other. Most support integrations through Zapier or maybe native connection. And now the last tip, review your AI's work for the first 30 days. Maybe since it is a machine day, maybe there is error. So now, AI is accurate, I know, but it needs to learn your business pattern, correct? And if there is something wrong, just correct it and it will get better fast and it will help you solve your real problem. So, there you have it, 7 AI tools that can legitimately save you more than 10 lakhs or more this year, right? While giving you back dozens of hours. Now, if you want me to dive deeply into any of these tools, please drop a comment and let me know which one. I read every single comment, and don't forget to grab my free checklist in the description box. It will help you evaluate which tools are right for your specific business. And hit subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep building and stay profitable. Thank you. That's all for today. If this has helped you, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. And in the comment section, let me know what was your today's biggest takeaway. See you in the next video. Until then, keep building smart. Thank you.